Hello, I'm Terry Flynn, the owner of Flynn Pianos and a local technician. I want to show you how to sanitize piano keys. There have been a lot of interesting videos on the internet with lots of glissandi. That's not the way to do it. I'll show you the right way. I'll put this back on now. Okay, you should have something like this next to the piano, a container with wipes. And I'm going to open it up and just take out one. There we go. And then sometimes these are very wet and they'll have a lot of drippy quality. So you don't need to wring it out. You just need to be careful so that the liquid doesn't drip between the keys. So this one is very drippy. The trick is to go in this direction and make sure you get the side of the keys, of the black keys, as well as the top of the white keys. So here we go. I'm just gently pressing. And if you press the keys down, I'm pressing the white keys down and wiping the black keys top and sides, and I do the front. Here I go to the next group. I'm pressing the white keys down, I'm doing the black key top, sides, and front. I'm doing it very slowly right now, but it's really just 2 swipes. If my fingers go around this key, watch. You go around this key, I'm pressing the whites down, and then I do this. Oops, didn't go out far enough. Here we go. Do as I say, not as I do, please. Seems a little tedious. I'll tell you a story while I'm doing it, shall I? Years ago, I met Dave Brubeck and started maintaining his piano 30 years ago. And he told me a story about sanitizing keyboards to prevent getting infections in his cuticles. His doctor told him just to use a swab with alcohol on it before he played the piano, and then eliminated the problem. And that's the first I knew about sanitizing keyboards. I think I can do this whole thing ordinarily in about a minute or 2. And that's it. You're done. Happy sanitizing.